The question text widget enables you to ask your users or your customers specific questions, and you're able then to store those answers in things called custom fields. So let's take, for example, that you ask your customer what is their favorite color. So you could highlight red, yellow, and green. And if they select red, you can store that value against their profile, which you can use later on in your marketing campaigns or even inside of the flow to push them to different areas inside of your actual flow itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at the actual question text input widget. So let's go. Okay, so we're inside of the actual builder now. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the actual question block itself. So let's go ahead and open it here. Okay, then you're going to see in this blue section here called question. So let's go into the question. Okay, and as normal, you get the all the blocks and the widgets open all in one place here. So the one we're going to be looking at today is, or inside of this video, is actually the text. So let's go ahead and select on the text. So now this is open the actual text question itself then. So there's two ways of actually doing this, and I'm going to show you both ways in this quick video. Okay, so what I want to do then is I'm going to ask my customer what is their favorite color. So let's go ahead and type this in. What is your fave color? Okay, so we can have it just like this, and they can answer below in their own words, or you can predefine it. But in this instance, we're just going to let them have free text and write whatever they want to. Okay, so because we want to use this value later on, okay, or reply to their answer, okay, we want to save it inside of a custom field. Okay, so let's just call it color. Okay, great. And it's just going to be a text type inside of this one. Okay, great. So that's pretty much done. All right, so if I come across here then, and what I want to do is I'm going to create a new block here. Okay, and we're just going to send a message or send a reply to the user. Okay, let's go ahead and select text. And let's go ahead and insert this. Oh, so we could put in something like, great, we love, okay, and then let's put their answer in there using that custom field. Okay, so color 2. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, so all we're doing is we're asking a question, they're having a free text input, and we're just going to reply to them, great, we love that color too. Okay, so let's just preview this in the actual pop-up itself. So let's go ahead and publish, and let's preview. Select on the web channel, preview in the pop-up. Okay, so what is our favorite color? Okay, so I'm just going to type in something random. I'm just going to put in yellow. Okay, great. We love yellow too. Okay, so you can see there where you can actually use the store values there. Okay, really, really simple. And I can use that information to trigger different types of flows or put that through conditions and show them all of my yellow store products or my yellow, whatever it may be inside of there. Okay, so like I said, we can predefine the actual answers for themselves. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's go back into the actual question block itself. Okay, so if we take a look inside of this answer then, this is where you can start providing the predefined answers. Okay, so let's go ahead and select one in here. Okay, so what we're going to put in there is red. Okay, this is going to be the first one. Okay, and we want to store the value, which is also going to be red. Okay, great, and save. And let's create another one. This time we're going to go green, and the answer will be green. Okay, perfect. So we're just going to leave it just as that. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's test this again. Okay, and publish. So this time then you can see that we're asking a question with predefined answers. Okay, so we've got the red or the green. So let's go ahead and select green. Okay, and as you can see, great, we love green too. Okay, absolutely perfect. So you might have seen when I inserted the value is that you can actually insert any type of value. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at that one. And all we're going to do is we're going to change the actual value inside of here. So you could put in something like, wow, we love red too. Okay, something like that. And click on save. And if we come into the green, and we'll do something similar to that. Yuck, we hate green. Okay, or something like that. Okay, I'm just showing you the differences inside of here. So instead of having all of this text inside of here, so all we need then would be the actual custom field value itself. Okay, so if I take out all of this, and we just have the custom value. Okay, so let's go ahead and publish. Okay, great. So now we've got the what is your fave color again. We're going to go green on this one. And you'll see that we get that response that we saved as a value. So yuck, we hate green. So you can kind of get the idea on how you can start utilizing the actual question text widget, where you can ask your users questions and you can store that value that you can use in a response, or you can use it later on in some different types of stories or flows or wherever it may be. Okay, and we'll see you in the next video.